So Senator, nung sinadsad ninyo yung barko, yung BRP Shera, pumalag ba ang China? Sila ba ay nagsabi na kaagad na tanggalin ho ba yan? Or pinabayaan po? Kasi ngayon lang namin
Hindi,
narinig nga na nangako daw tayo na tatanggalin natin. So ang tanong ko po, ano ang kanilang reaksyon nung nalaman po nila na sinadsad nyo na po yung BRP Sierra Madre?
nagprotesta sila. Nagprotesta sila. Tayo naman nagprotesta rin dun sa Mischief Reef eh. Nagprotesta rin tayo. Pag nagtatayo sila, nagprotesta tayo. Ibig sabihin, on the record,
Yeah.
andyan yan, pero hindi tayo naghahanap ng basagulo, pero nagprotesta kami. Para on the record, alam nila na tayo ay hindi sumasang-ayon. Ganon din naman yan eh. Bilateral yan eh. Yan ang style. So nagprotesta sila, pero nagsadsad po tayo ng isa pa. Nagsadsad tayo ng Benguet dito sa
BRP
Scarborough.
Benguet,
Alam
di
mo
ba? BRP
kung
Benguet.
hindi tinanggal yan, tayo ang merong control na effective control occupation na yan. Unfortunately, hindi tayo consistent eh.
Yeah.
Ang nangyayari rito, wala tayong larawan ng mahaba ang labanan, yung tinatawag na strategy. Magaling tayo sa mga tactics, tapos ngayon, tayo yung iniipit, tapos sinasabi nila, nangako tayo. Well, I was never party to any promise na i-atras yan.
Yeah.
And I don't think President Arab during that time made he knew na ito ay importante sa atin na hindi tayo mawalan. And in any event, President Marcos Jr. has stated very clearly na kung meron man naipangako sa kanila, it's been rescinded already.
Yeah.
Naalala ko ng mga cluster E, yung tawag dun sa security group ng cabinet. Lagi kami nagbabanggaan noong araw, ng mga panahon yun, ng Department of Foreign Affairs. Kapag si Secretary Siason nga, hindi sumasang-ayon, huwag mong guluhin yan, etc. Sabi ko, hindi natin ginugulo yan. We are asserting our rights.
I'm sure by now, Senator, you've read the article on a leading daily by Rigoberto Tiglao, who was with the administration naman of the succeeding administration, panahon naman po ni President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, and he was saying nga na itong he's already talagang fostering itong pangako that the Philippines made to China na tatanggalin po ang BRP Sierra Madre. He is quoting merong mga confidential memoranda nung panahon po ni Pangulong President ni Aquino III, no? Foreign Affairs Secretary Albert Del Rosario, inulat niya na tatlong ranking Chinese officials nag-meet on different occasions at ang sulat dun sa confidential memorandum, on 3 occasions, yung Chinese side was already, again, reminding us of this promise. Memorandum din, confidential memorandum to Del Rosario from the ambassador to Beijing at the time, Erlinda Basilio. So, he was quoting itong mga confidential memoranda na nagbabanggit dito sa pagpapaalala sa China nitong pangako na ito ng Pilipinas. Although it was verbal at that time, it was mentioned daw in several documents. So what do you make of this po, Senator?
I'm not aware of any promise, and I did not make any promise. Pero I was aware of the fact that Secretary Siason and I were holding opposite views on this matter. I do not want to attribute anything to but during that time, as written in the book by Marites Dangilan Vito, yung book niyang Rock Solid, sinasabi niya na she was quoting Joe Almonte, who was saying that Jun Siason during that particular time was interested in running for Secretary General of the United Nations and was a little hesitant to upset the Chinese because their vote would be critical. I don't know, I'm not privy to any plans or data on that matter. I'm just quoting what has been written about Jun Siason or Secretary Siason during that particular time.
So Senator, having said that, no, na wala rin mapakita ang mga Chinese na written document or secret memoranda, I don't know, but sabi nyo nga that the president already said that if ever there is, he's going to rescind it. Is that going to hold? Even if there's let's say, kasi baka magulat na lang tayo, baka may ilabas po ang China na
May
meron silang
resibo.
resibo pala. Pwede na ho ba na sabihin lang po ng ating presidente na hindi, rescinded na yan? Ganun lang ho ba kasimple?
Tsaka maliwanag naman yung decision ng International Arbitral Court ng United Nations Convention of the Law of the Seas. Yung UNCLOS, it's part of international law. Tayo ang hindi China ang ni-recognize na mayroong otoridad at soberanya na sa yan ay kasama dun sa exclusive economic zone natin. Kaya tayo pa binabaliktad dito eh. Parang nagbabayad ka, meron kang titulo torrent sa isang lupa, binili mo, tapos iniskwatan, ngayon hindi ka makapasok, hindi ka pinapapasok doon sa mismo binabayaran mo pa yung taxes na yun. Talagang it's bullying.
Yeah.
That is quite obvious.
Of course, China, needless to say, China refuses to recognize the 2016 ruling of the Permanent Court of Arbitration na talagang binaril na yung claim nila sa 9-dash line. Para sa kanila, kanila yung buong South China Sea, kasama na yung ating bahagi ng West Philippine Sea dyan. Senator.
Yeah, that is true. But so, tayo rin eh. We have a right to protect our territorial integrity. Now, nakikita natin, hindi na naman masosolve lahat yung problema yan. When you cannot solve the problem, especially among nations, what you do is you manage it. Kinakailangan natin dyan na magkaroon tayo ng modus vivendi na tinatawag na para nagkakaroon tayo ng understanding na hindi tayo mapupunta sa kaguluhan. Hindi tayo naghahanap ng basag ulo, pero hindi tayo dapat kasi yung position natin urong-sulong eh.
Yeah.
Meron tayong sinasabing we are friends to all,
Enemy
but
to none.
enemies to none. Hindi pwede yun eh. Meron bang taong walang kaway or walang disagreement? Ang sabi nga sa English eh, no enemies, no character. Yan ang sabihin na you don't stand for anything. So napaka-importante for what is close to us as our core interest, we have to protect that and we have to be consistent. Unfortunately, hindi tayo consistent. Pag nagpapalit ang administrasyon, nagpapalit ang posisyon, etc. Kumbaga sa boksingero, bara-bara tayo. Paminsan-minsan nakakasuntok tayo, nakakatama tayo, pero it's better to put science in our thinking and in our position. Dapat ay siyensya at we have a scientific way of doing things.